Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite maọbụ I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ living in the future. Yes. Abịa m taa as a priest ka m kọwalụ gị na o nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ that living in the future. They live in the future. What normally gives them every time they are in their life, they are thinking about future. They are always thinking about future. They're always thinking about future. Future is always their own. Ihe ọbụla ha na-echewu maka future. They keep depending on future. Ọ bụrụ na ndị na-agba ọsọ n'igwe sị na ha na-agba ọsọ n'igwe, he's thinking about future. He doesn't rely solely on the present. Dịka m si gwa gị na nkụzi yesterday, a gwara gị na your future, how your future be, it depends on how you live the present. No na adabagara ugo ngwa gị na minus if you want your future to be better, you must from this present then work out for that your future to be better. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ oge ọbụla ha nọ na hoping na-asị emesịa a na-akpọ ha procrastinators. Ndị a oge ọbụla ọdịnihu ka ha na-ekwu maka ya, ọdịnihu ka ha believe on ya. They will never enjoy the present. They will never enjoy the present. Oge ọbụla bụ future nke dị n'iru ka nwere agwa gị ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ etu ọbụla ị chọrọ ka nke dị n'iru gị wee dịrị gị, even if na ị chọrọ ka nke dị n'iru gị wee karị gị, I can tell you na Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile is never Father Christmas. If you want your future to be great, if you want your future to be better, you must work out it now. Believe in me, nature will never give you what you do not deserve, what you did not work for. Galatians 6:7, I keep quoting it. God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you reap. You cannot walk in with your beggar. You just and your host, you can go wall again. Ihe ndị a ka anyị ga-edeba anya n'ụbọchị taa. So ọ bụrụ na ime onye ọbụla n'oge ọbụla ọ na-asị when he grow up, tag the person, tag your friends and well wishers gị. Gị nwa bụ onye oge ọbụla ihe na-enye gị aṅụrị ewu future. Ọ na-adịghị ka future si n'elu daa. You are desiring a blissful future. You are desiring a better future. Tag people you know in this condition. Ihe ndị a ka anyị ga-edeba anya n'ụbọchị taa. Mana before we dive into today's lecture, important announcements. Don't forget that we are in the month of November. Our monthly rituals for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Yes. Ebe ọ bụla ị chọrọ ije sonyela anyị n'isi ụtụtụ ejegori na temple chụọ aja gọọ ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị sonyela anyị. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. Etu a ka anyị si eme eti na omegide ọnwa agwụ. Bọsị ikpeazụ anyị jee na mmiri jee kpee ile ọma n'aha mmadụ dum bịa na temple chụọ aja to entities of powers. Jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo ebudu mee saraka. Etu a ka anyị si eme. So ọ bụrụ na ị dị interested isonyela ihe ị ga-eme bụ ịchaatị m na WhatsApp. You forward your 3 prayer requests. Yes, then make token donation to the account number. I was the prayer request is never not an actual and I go for Insugan on Wago. So I wanted the tested. Yaki game. What's up? Not big again. What I'm mourning without John and Kuzia. Mobile shock about family. Chat jam the WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. Now let's dive into today's lecture proper. Gịnị ka na-ekwu maka ya? Ihe na-achọ ka nkọwalụ gị bụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma. Wee na-achọ ka nkọwalụ gị bụ na ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ka echi karịa gị mma, you must work out your better tomorrow today. Nke bụ eziokwu, one thing you know about nature bụ na nature can never give you what you don't deserve. I can tell you, even those people you are thinking that they are going to secure their future. Their present now is like they are enjoying. Is it your family? You want to enjoy better family? No one better. Oh no, kita. Ki able to suwe woji. Kita ki able to bawa mbuya. Ndị niile na-afụ na-eri nke ghere eghe kịta bụ mbọ ha gbalụ na mbụ. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ onye anọ kịta gbara ya bụ mbọ, o nwere ike ọ bụrụ nna ya ma ọ bụ nna ya gbara ya bụ mbọ, mana ọgwụkwa ma mmadụ ọ gbara mbọ, mmadụ gbara mbọ. So always seen ihe a ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ na-asị na onye a na-eso ụtara n'elu anụ na ọ dị so lucky. Oga, I can tell you, Chineke fụrụ mmadụ niile n'anya, nye mmadụ niile ịkwọ opportunity. Kama na onye dị etu a nwere ike ọ na-eri uru mbọ ndị nna ya ha gbalụ, ma ọ bụrụkwanụ mbọ onye nwa na onwe ya gbalụ ka ọ na-eri, mana o nwere ihe dịka na Chineke fụrụ onye a n'anya kpọọ onye a asị from okike, unless na imetaziri ihe a ga-eji kpọọ gị asị nke imetara onwe gị. Mana ọ bụrụkwa ma Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, o jere onye ọbụla ịkwọ love, ịkwọ opportunity. Yes, he did. So ihe na-achọ ịkọwara gị na those people ahụ ife iru na ihe kara ha mma, they paid the price. Either the person that is enjoying it, he paid the price, or his ancestors paid the price. Chukwu enwere onye ọfụ n'anya iche. Even in your own family, nwere onye afọ n'anya, ọ bụrụ ga na from niile eme na nzu, doing how you're supposed to do, people will love you. I can tell you that sometimes why you are facing what you are facing is because you did not do what you're supposed to do early enough. So always stop procrastinating. I will do. Ndị Igbo tụrụ elu sị na ka abịa ka awọchi gara pụọ ọdụ. Ka emesịa ka abịa onwere nke o mere eme. I can tell you that missing words, no bụrụ na like I put your deal okay. A plan where now. One other he says that I quote, he who does not plan is planning to fail. You can just fold your hands and thinking that your future will be blissful. I can tell you those successful people, they worked for it. Yes, they worked for it. Oh, well, one thing you understand among the people, successful people, let me teach you one thing you don't know. Do you see these successful people you are seeing? They paid the price. And when the price is so success. And the envelope price for that success, we have made successful. And all that price we have made again. O nwere life ndị mmadụ na-eme ebi na ndụ taa. Na nwa bụ ihe debere ha n'ọnọdụ ha nọ. Mma akọrọ ofu akụkọ. O nwere otu onye mmaara, family mmaara nke ọma. Ha kpatara ego ha ga-eji wee lụta ezigbo ụlọ. But you know what? They squandered the money. When we are growing up, I was born in humble background, yes. But this family mara nke ọma. Na be ha can liri salad. Imagine those days, those things in Afuna are very common. Although common that time. Yes. Na be ha ka mmadụ na awapụta ụbọchị 25 eje goro a whole goat gbuo ha ji gba Christmas. Na be ndị aga m fụrụ abata Christmas isi assorted food. That is abịa na be ha when we are growing up. Ha ga-eme salad. Ha ga-eme nke a shie ụmụ orishirishi dị iche iche. Abịa na mmanya, ha ga-ebu mmanya assorted. Go to wine. Na be ha ka ṅụrụ wine for the first time. Ọ bụrụ na ị bata na be ha ajụọ okiri ihe ị chọrọ. People used to troop to their house during Xmas time. Because anyị niile na ọrụ oyibo na Ọnịcha. Mana Xmas onye ọ nabatazie na be ha ka ndị mmadụ na-eje emeri rie. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ in order to benefit, ha nwere ike ijekwa ebe a gossip against anybody in order to get lion share. Ịghọtara ya? These people squandered money. But Or by a family, my own family, my father will always tell me, all that glitters that got gold. That he who does not plan is planning to fail. Do you know that little we had then? My father and my mother, they taught me how to prudently manage what you have. They want me never to look at what belongs to another person. Instead, work hard. That what you don't have today, you have it tomorrow. I never look at anybody's thing. But I learn how to discipline myself. That is one thing they embedded in me. But behold, my parents, they struggle and build a 6-room parlor as a den. But this family in Nagwagi here, they did not even build block house. House, how but those ancient house. Now, Arosia with you are mod house mod. A well plaster, paint here on our shine. But believe in me, the money they squandered on Uri, Obrona how manage it prudently, believe in me, that money would have given them at least a blocked house. Some people will be telling you, don't worry, the one hang with her last one there. They madonna and to sooner be over. These people will keep living in the future. Now, future, don't worry. Future, come, future, King will know you didn't do that. The Anna had then told Bang on my doing how they like to enjoy their life. Hoping a future. Thinking that how your future will be better if you do not work for it. Chineko for the Christmas. Believe in me, to cut the whole story short, that family, the parents later passed on without living in a block house built by themselves. Now, tomorrow, somebody will be blaming Chuku as if no one only Chuku for Naniche. Because they don't understand the principle of life. And when some certain price you pay, some of these rich people you are seeing, go to their various houses, they are highly disciplined. They don't waste things. Yes, they will tell you they don't waste things. Both in spending, both in other things, they will be very disciplined. I know this family that we are friends. You know that if even the daughters from that home, their father is a billionaire. He told me that you know that they are in their house, you can't just go out anyhow without taking permission. They don't born you well to leave the house. Even the security man, the policeman at the gate, will never allow you to step out of the compound. If you must go out, you must take permission, and a security or 2 security men will be allocated to you with the car. Even if you have your private car, because some of the children have their private cars, but you must go with security, and the father must know and they approve it and know exactly where you're going. They were restricted. Sometimes if they want to go out as a family, they go out as a family with their security. But they don't born you well to leave the house without their permission. But you go to the broke homes, those homes that are very broke, everybody is made to Sorian. What I can when they came from then and no, but sorry, you know that? So the discipline to behave anyhow, Amadugia. So for me, I'm even advocating. That is why if you see somebody trained in such family, the person can fit in a family of high standard, high class family. Because in his own house, in her house, she understands that you don't do anything without permission. He dare not question the authority. That is how she's trained. So she can easily fit into a royal family. But those one that is from Orishirishi families and those broke homes, you know what they will do? They don't care about process. They don't care about taking permission. They do it. Go out anytime. Come out back anytime. They are like behaving like street people. You know why? If you are from a rich family, maybe a billionaire set of family, you came down for your high horse. to marry someone from that street lifestyle that doesn't, they go to clubbing, they go anyhow without permission, they don't care. If you are telling them that they need for them to take permission, they will think that you are caging them. If you're a billionaire, let's use what is trending on social media about the Regina Daniels and Ned Nwoko as an example. If you train your child to be going to club, doing anything, behaving, for them, those people that is from locums, they see it as enjoyment. But those rich people, if they want to do housewarming, patching, they do it in their sorok, they do it in their own house. They want flavor in Albania, they invite flavor to their house, dance. You understand? But those people we like, they will tell you that they don't even like that one they brought to the home. They want that one, they will go shouting like man people in the club. So if you marry from such family, by the time you start training the person, knows you are not supposed to be mingling with those street people. She will feel that you are caging her. She will no longer be happy. You know why? Because she is already used to noisy environment, behaving like a street people. Understand? She will not feel comfortable, despite the fact that she has money. She will never be comfortable because she sees as if you are restricting her movement. The type of life she is used to. It can come to noisy environment. But somebody they train in quiet and simple environment will not like such lifestyle. So my advice is that, based on what is trending now, if you are from such family, high caliber family, billionaires family, please don't go down to those people that are too down. Because if you think that for the fact that you are rich, that you are going to, once you take them from those humble background, that you will nurture them, they will appreciate it, they will remain humble, it's a lie. They will accept now, that time, but when they wise up, they will think that you are caging them. And they will begin to revolt against your orders, and that crisis will set in. Yes. So learn from these things. Not say the thing they trend. You are just hearing that it's trending, commenting anyhow. Learn the lesson they are in. If you are from the upper class, don't go too low. If you want to go, you are a billionaire family, you want to go to family that is, even if they are not billionaires, but they are millionaires, they are comfortable. At least that level they have a little kind of training. But don't those dive to down bottom. Because those down bottom, once you want to stop the person lifestyle the person is used to, the person will not appreciate it. And the crisis will set in. So what I'm saying in today's lecture is that if you are one of those people that is living in the future, know that for you to enjoy that future, you discipline yourself to key in. Example, you that is saying about saying Igwe, you want to go to heaven, right? As Christian, don't you know that before you to fit in that heavenly enjoyment, you must discipline yourself in present. Then, so that you prepare yourself to fit in the future. You that are living normal life now, you are broke. You want to be rich tomorrow. If you don't discipline yourself today to begin to think like rich people, reason like them, working hard like them, understanding the principles that make someone to be successful of consistency and prudent management. If not, it cannot matter 1 naira, nearly 1 naira, and you can grow. Learn the principles of it matter 1 naira, it 50 kobo, then 50 kobo for your growth. For a while, you will discipline yourself. Learn how not to be wasteful. Time will come when that your 50% will be millions. Because the more your money is growing, the more your income is growing. By then, your 50% as at this year will not be your 50% in next 5 years. Your 50% you are spending now might be 50,000 a month. But I can tell you, if you manage what you have prudently, next 5 years, your 50% might be 250,000 or even 300,000. then you can see that by that time you will be eating, you will be enjoying. Yet you are still enjoying within the 50%. People will be saying that you are enjoying now, but they will not remember when you discipline yourself in order to be where you are today. Take my advice, it shall be well with you. There is this discipline, these rich people you are seeing. If you see how they manage themselves, and if you see how some people squander their present, and therefore giving their future no hope. So my advice today is that if you are one of the people that always depending in the future. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Longing for better future is not a bad thing. But know it that for you to enjoy better future is a work of today. That Chineke is not for the Christmas. That whether your future will be bright or not is all yours. Your determination. So stop procrastinating. Thinking, say, my tomorrow go better, my tomorrow go better. Did you work it out? Or you thought that tomorrow will just fall? That thing you people normally call luck, or you are lucky, or you is grace. Nothing of such exists in creation. Anybody you see that you are thinking that is lucky, he or she worked for it, directly or indirectly. Some family worked it themselves. Almost some family that their father or their grandfathers, ancestors paid the price and build the legacy of what the children of that descendant is enjoying. But however, whether that luxurious lifestyle and the goodies the children is enjoying, whether it will last long or short, depends on the lifestyle of the people present that is enjoying it. If they went on rampant squandermania, they will squander it, and that goodies will not reach the next generation, because the present generation squander it without cultivating, adding more goodies where their father or their grandfather stop. That's why you see some families, they are rich now, tomorrow they are broke. You know why? People will be saying that when their father was alive, they are successful. It's because the present children did not continue where their father stopped. And they will squander what is there, and everybody go back to brokenness again. So what am I saying? Never you be deceiving yourself. Nature own way. Therefore, whatever you have today, squander it. Okay? You will cry. Learn from those families that you are seeing around. That their family used to be rich family back then. I remember when we were growing up in 80s. You will see families that their fathers was so rich then, but today go there. Even the zinc is leaking. Nobody can change it. Is it not the family of let so person? Because the children are very useless, and they are thinking that they learn how to squander. So what I can tell you is that future does not be there blissful on his own. Somebody worked for this. Somebody paid the price. So I'm telling you now, you that is under the influence of my voice, as you're hearing this voice, learn that nothing good come easy. Learn that there is no manna falling anywhere. That you that want to live in the future, you want better future, start now. Build it. Yes, because if you refuse to start now to build it, thinking that Chineke for the Christmas, that you just butter your bread without doing anything, you're a joke. And such doesn't exist anywhere in creation. In creation, you need good days of life. You must work it out. You must work your ass out in order to build it. So you that is under the influence of my voice, hearing my voice, and they want better future, start now working. Don't be lazy. Don't think that they will hear anything like luck. That thing ain't but luck. Let me repeat myself. That thing you called luck, it's somebody's sweat. It's your parents, grandfathers, your ancestors' sweat. is in agreement they entered with Umumo. They labored and build a legacy. They build worked. They build a system that will always pay them and pay their future generation. Depend on how the future generation maintain it will determine whether it will last for a very long time, into decades, or whether it will stop after a few years. So understand the principle, because I understand that most people don't understand the principles of life. Therefore, they are living in ignorance. They are following those people that doesn't understand the principles of life and knowing the secret, the laws of sowing and reaping. Take this message from me today. Now, amụrụ na family where nobody, your fathers did not pay the price or sow those seeds. Then do it yourself. Do it yourself. You that is enjoying the benefit of your father or your forefathers. My question to you is that, what will you leave for your own generation unborn? Or you will be remembered as the somebody that squandered the existing one. So for you to be successful on earth first, you must have the mindset of successful people. How will the mindset? Successful people will the principle. Let's call it principles. I want them with the principle of success. Once you key in into the principle of success, success will follow you. Being success has nothing to do with religion and faith or creed. Yes, that is why you can see billionaires that are ordinary people. You will see billionaires that are Christians. You will see billionaires that are Muslims. You will see billionaires that came from Hinduism, Shintoism, and Buddhism, and so on and so forth, other world religions world over. So you can see that being successful, being a billionaire, has nothing to do with faith and creed. What faith and creed does is to make you to recognize that there's power in spirit, to help you build moral, and to help you to be at peace with your forces. That's what the religion does. But whether, if you like, you go to mountain, if you like, you pray 100 days fasting, you can never wake up in the name of whoever you are praying to and raise your pillow and see money. It's not possible. It's not going to work. Yes, if you like, kill yourself in fasting. You never pick money you did not work for. Just to show you what spirit does is that if you are at peace with your spiritual forces, they will always be there to protect you. They will always be there to advise you. They will always be there to fight for your interests spiritually. They will always be there to give you physical advice of how things work. They will use maybe through somebody. As I'm speaking today, hundreds of people that this message will liberate them. Liberation abroad from angel or deliverance. No. A ga-eme ka unu dị ọcha site n'okwu nke unu nụrụ. Okwu dị n'akwụkwọ Matthew. You have been made clean because of the word you heard. Emego ka unu dị ọcha site n'okwu unu nụrụ. So site n'okwu a na-ekwu taa nwere ndị a ga-liberate. And liberation starts from mindset. Because whatever that is imaginable is achievable. Liberation, success starts from the mind. By the time whatever success you are seeing today, you must create it within your mind. Like me, where I am today, I created it within my mind years back and told myself this is where I want to be. Even my future plan, where I want to be in future, I have seen it all. Because I created it within my mind. Though they are still in the spiritual realm, but I'm walking in the right direction to make that creation of my mind, that my desire, that my longing to manifest in this gross material world. And so shall it be for you. If only you will stand by the right path and have another great mentor that will be advising you, mentoring you, to help you stand at the right place. I can tell you that those imagination, those future, great future you want for yourself and family, those future, great future you want to experience is achievable. Yes, that whatever that is imaginable is achievable. Those things, those people that you are seeing that is successful today, they are great people, they are billionaires, once imagine that state of life. And they never relent, they work it out. So I can advise you that whatever good life you want to enjoy in future, where you want to be, don't allow evil people to destabilize you or to tell you that it's not achievable. It's not true. We human beings, we are given opportunity to create with our mind, to create those things you want to achieve. Let me give you another example. There's something happened. My mom younger brother is a millionaire. Yes, he's an importer in Ogbuefi. Yes, I remember those early 2000. Yes, that early 2000, we are still very young then. He used to come to our house. That time I'm talking to you now, I'm among the people that use phone. I think 2002 or so, over to something years. That I am among the people that use those Bell, Sendo, Motorola, Samsung, R220 of those days, and Nokia. Those days, we don't have this Android phone now. So he used to tell us, well, on a particular day he visited my family house. He was telling my mother and all of us that he was telling us that do we know that there is a phone that will enable you to be calling somebody, you'll be seeing the person will be seeing you. He can say, give Chidera phone. He said, great Chidera, great so great everybody. They will be seeing you, you'll be seeing your family will be seeing you. When he was telling all those things, I was like, wow. Few years down the line, say BlackBerry, say Android phone, full for Nigeria. But those days it wasn't there. But I can tell you that this Android phone me and you is enjoying now was once somebody dreams. The first person that manufactured Android first had it as a dream, as a vision. I had passion to create something of such, and the person didn't relent. He keep on working on his dreams till he come to fulfillment and he materialize it in the world of the physical, and that's what we are enjoying today. So I can tell you that this Android phone we are using today was once someone's dream, but today here we are. We have it at the plot of gold in our hands. So what am I saying? And I can tell you that there will be more inventors, more goodies of life that will still come between now and the next 10 years. And as we speak today, those dreams is nowhere to be found in the world as of today, but is somewhere in somebody's heart and mind, and the person is thinking about it, how to make it to come to reality. And because the person keep longing, nursing it, energizing it, powering it with attitude of never giving up, the thing must come to limelight one day. So I don't know what you are imagining. By the time you begin to imagine it, the thing will come into world reality in the physical. I remember when I was growing up, not even years back, about 10 years ago. Yes, I had this vision. I told myself that I have built downstairs, modern downstairs. Yes, I told myself that I want to build a befitting house upstairs. The young man that bent doors on Agumago. When I prayed over it, thought about it, I now said, okay, let me. One day I was watching Facebook. I saw a befitting a house, very beautiful. I saved it. I said, this type of house is what I want to build. I saved it as a screensaver. I later had a dream about how I now see my house, be well fenced, and the house, the place is there. But to cut the whole story short, that dream I had that day, that one day a duplex will rise in my compound built by me, today had manifested. To the glory of God, I have one. The same thing is what you are, whatever you are passing through. If you have questions in today's lecture about how you can believe in the present and make your future to manifest, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or I repeat 0805 7837672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya, ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe be with you all. May Chukwu nke Africa bless you all now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.